The Himalayas is the most captivating and charming feature on the face of the earth. This mountain chain has a significant influence on the climate of most parts of India. While they cause the southwest monsoon system to bring widespread rain in the Indian subcontinent, their towering height has created a vast rain shadow zone that remains devoid of any significant precipitation. Therefore, these tracts are referred to as cold deserts, a vast stretch of harsh, inaccessible, and arid temperate area, 79,278 square kilometers, is designated as a cold desert in the North Western Himalayan region of India and is located in the Ladakh, Union Territory, and the Lahaul and Spiti, Kinnaur and Pangi areas of Chumba district of Himachal Pradesh. A very harsh and characteristic climate prevails in trans-Himalayan cold deserts, where the summer temperature touches up to 40 degrees Celsius, while the winter temperature drops below -35 degrees Celsius and is characterized by barren mountains, nail-biting winters, low humidity, and sparse vegetation. The northwestern cold desert region is composed of three major river systems: Indus, Chenab, and Satluj. This region houses hundreds of glaciers of various sizes, which are critical for the local communities as they are entirely dependent on the glaciers and snowmelt. Although almost 80% of the glaciers in the Ladakh region are very small, less than 1 square kilometer, they play a significant role. The cold desert is home to rich floral and faunal diversity, making it a fascinating destination for tourism. The Trans-Himalayan region is one of the richest repositories of medicinal and aromatic plant resources in the country. The following passage describes cold deserts, which are characterized by rugged mountains, harsh winters, low humidity, and limited vegetation. Due to the extreme climate, sandy soil, and scarcity of water, only a few species of plants are able to survive in this environment. These plants have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in such adverse conditions. Woody shrubs and trees are particularly important to the local community as they provide fuel, fodder, and timber. Some of the most notable species found in these mountains, especially on moist slopes, include Potentilla, Polygonum, Astragalus, and Poa. Additionally, various types of poplars and willows are found in the field borders, which are of special socio-ecological significance. This region is also home to several important and endangered wild animal species, which have adapted well to the harsh environment. The cold desert people have a unique culture of their own, which is an amalgamation of Indian and Tibetan influences. The valley of Spiti is known for the oldest Ki and Tabo monastery in the world. Festivals and fairs are an integral part of the Pahari lifestyle. These festivals reflect the importance of change in seasons, the building of community, and sharing happiness. Today, in the race for urbanization and with the expansion of the market economy, people have become ignorant about nature and its wealth, which has resulted in endangering the flora and fauna of this region. Therefore, there is an urgent need to work on specific management strategies for the rejuvenation and conservation of the dwindling flora and fauna. Himalayan Forest Research Institute creates mass awareness about the intangible benefits and ecosystem services provided by these endemic plant species and their biodiversity values to the local people of those areas to reduce biotic pressure. The cold desert boasts an incredible variety of flora and fauna, which plays a critical role in the lives of local people and attracts plant enthusiasts from around the world. However, human activities, environmental changes, and urbanization have caused significant harm to nature. In response, the Himalayan Forest Research Institute in Shimla is working to restore the ecosystem and address the challenges associated with regenerating vital species in the cold desert. Various initiatives were taken to promote afforestation in the cold desert regions, which included surveys and the standardization of techniques for cultivating indigenous plants. A survey was conducted to identify the plant diversity in the Poo region of District Kinnaur, Himachal Pradesh, which is situated at altitudes ranging from 2,700 to 5,000 meters. An ecological assessment of floristic diversity in Himis High Altitude National Park, Ladakh, revealed the astonishing vegetation present amidst the majestic mountains and riverine habitat of the park. The genetic stock of Podophyllum hexandrum was identified by screening 28 different geographical locations of Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh, resulting in the establishment of a gene bank at FRS Barandhar, Jagdasukh near Manali. Additionally, several propagation methods of the species were developed. Juniper's Pali kapos, also known as the Himalayan pencil cedar, is an important conifer that grows in the North Himalayan region. It is one of the indigenous junipers that can be found in the inner arid areas of the Himalayan region at an altitude of 2,100–4,500 meter above sea level. Locally, it is known as Shur, Shukpa, Shurago, and Hoop, while in Hindi, it is called Pada. This conifer species is socially and ecologically significant and is regarded as a sacred tree in the area where it grows. The leaves, twigs, and fruits of Juniper's Pali kapos are used to treat rheumatic pains. The wood is used as fuel, while the twigs and dried leaves are used as incense in houses, temples, and monasteries for religious purposes in cold deserts. However, the natural regeneration of this conifer species has been low due to seed dormancy. To address this issue, the Himalayan Forest Research Institute in Shimla has initiated a research project on Juniper's Pali kapos. The project aims to understand the causes of seed dormancy and to develop effective methods for breaking seed dormancy. The project has been successful in breaking seed dormancy and achieving 70% germination. HFRI has also successfully developed nursery and plantation techniques for this species. The institute has raised more than 15,000 quality seedlings of Juniper's Pali kapos in its nursery using the techniques developed under ICFRI funded projects. These seedlings have been distributed to the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department, NGOs, and farmers in the Ladakh Union Territory. Moreover, HFRI has established a demonstration plot of Juniper's Pali kapos in the cold desert region at Tabo in the Spiti Valley of Lahaul and Spiti district in Himachal Pradesh. The plants have a survival rate of over 90% in field conditions to date.